Hello, my name is Rehan, and this is the third part of our no internet game. And you can see we've done a lot more than usual. We just had a little bit in the first two parts, but we've done a lot in the next parts. So let's start. We were here. We start from here. So you go to control and get a if condition and put it in. You go to math and take this double equal sign and put it in the top if condition. And in the first one, you write game state. And then you write play in the second box in capitals. And then you go to sprites and get this mm, velocity x and put it under game state under game state. Then in the first one you write ground and in the second box you write -4. Then you get a if condition. You put it in, and in here you write key and you go to world and get this key down code. Wait, that's not it. This key down code right here above it, and then you put it in. You get all these options. You can do the up button or the space button, but the space button is easier for no internet game. So I chose space button, but it's your choice. Whatever is comfortable for you. And so next, you go to sprites and take velocity y and put it on the key down. And next, um, you in the first box you write dino, and in the second box you write -6. Then you go to functions and get this my function block and put it here, right here, like under the if condition. No, yes, like right here. And then you write make obstacles, and then or you can put any other name. Then you get same block again, and then write make coins. Then you go to control and get another if condition and write it dino. Then you go to sprites and get this is touching a block, and then you put it in the if condition to block. If condition to blocker right up there. Then yeah, so then in the first box you write dino, in the second box you write obstacle group. They have to be the exact same spelling and the exact same letters and everything like that for like the obstacle group and the then you go to variables and get this x equals block and then put it inside the if condition. Then the first one you write game state. In the first one you write game state, and then after the equal you write end. Then there will be a plus button under this plus button. You plus it, then there will be another plus button. When you plus that, you'll get a else if block, and there'll be another else block. Then there will be a minus button, You click that button to get this else if blocker. And then in that, you go to map and get this double equal block again. Then in the first one, you write game state. And in the second one, you write capital and END. Then we go to sprites and get this velocity X block. And in the first one, you write ground. And in the second one, you write 0. Then you get set animation and put it under it, the ground. Then in the first box you write dino, and in the second one you click the arrow and choose a T-Rex collide. Yes. So then you get this set velocity each. That will be under, 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 under. It will be somewhere here. So it will be somewhere here. It's because I know but I'm giving you a challenge. So you can find it and put it under this block. Then here you write obstacle group. Then here you write 0. Then get the same block again. In this one you write coin group, and in here you write 0. Then you get the destroy each block. That will be somewhere in here. Yeah, it'll be somewhere in here. So you find that, and then put it under the ops, ops under the coin group. And in the first box you write obstacle group. And then you get another set lifetime in each block. That will be in here. Then the first box you write obstacle group, and in the second box you write -1. Then here you take the first block and put it in. Then you write game over. Then there will be this create spot. You write 200, 250. Then you got this set animation block. And then in the first one you write game over. Then there'll be an arrow. Then you got the game over block right here. And then you got dot scale. That will be right here. And sprite dot scale. And then you write game over in the first block, and in the second block you write 0.5. I hope you like the third part. Anyway, after I finish the fourth part, it's going to be a full no internet game and so fun with coins. So I hope you like it, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.